Bake bakery-quality loaves at home with cookware designed for excellent heat retention and crust development. Best Dutch oven for bread baking. Discover top picks that help create perfectly risen, golden, and flavorful artisan bread every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. MUELLER 6-quart Iron Dutch Oven. The MUELLER 6-quart Iron Dutch Oven is a versatile piece of cookware that can handle nearly every cooking task in the kitchen. Made from durable cast iron with a high-quality enamel coating, it provides excellent heat retention and even heat distribution for consistent results. Whether you're baking artisan bread, slow-cooking stews, roasting meats, or preparing soups, this Dutch oven performs reliably. The tight-fitting lid features raised nodes that continuously return moisture to food, helping create tender and flavorful dishes. Wide handles and a sturdy stainless steel lid knob make it easy to move from stovetop to oven. Compatible with all cooktops, including induction, and safe for temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it adapts to a wide variety of recipes. The glossy enamel finish resists rust and develops a naturally smooth cooking surface over time. For home cooks seeking dependable performance and attractive design, this Dutch oven is an excellent kitchen investment. Number 2. Lodge Cast Iron Double Dutch Oven. The Lodge Cast Iron Double Dutch Oven stands out with its clever 2-in-1 design that functions as both a Dutch oven and a dual-handle skillet. Constructed from seasoned cast iron, it delivers excellent heat retention and even cooking performance that works especially well for baking bread, searing meats, and preparing hearty stews. The lid doubles as a skillet, adding flexibility for cooks who enjoy making multiple dishes with one piece of cookware. Its durable construction allows seamless use on stovetops, in ovens, on grills, and even over campfires, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor cooking alike. Made with only iron and oil, it provides a naturally seasoned, PFAS-free cooking surface without synthetic coatings. The cast iron design develops improved seasoning with regular use, enhancing performance over time. For cooks who value versatility, durability, and traditional cast iron cooking, the Lodge Double Dutch Oven remains a dependable and practical choice. Number 3. Le Creuset Enameled Dutch Oven. The Le Creuset Enameled Dutch Oven is widely recognized for its premium craftsmanship and exceptional cooking performance. Crafted from high-quality cast iron, it offers outstanding heat retention and even heat distribution, ensuring reliable results across a wide range of recipes. Its tight-fitting, domed lid is specifically designed to trap and circulate steam, creating moist interiors and beautifully browned finishes. The porcelain enamel exterior eliminates the need for seasoning while resisting stains, chipping, cracking, and discoloration. Inside, the matte black enamel surface is easy to maintain and gradually develops a natural patina that can enhance cooking performance over time. The low-profile base features raised ridges that encourage even browning and add distinctive markings when baking bread. Suitable for everything from slow-cooked meals to artisan loaves, this Dutch oven combines elegance with functionality. It is an excellent option for serious home cooks who appreciate premium cookware built to last. Number 4. Overmont Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven. The Overmont Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven offers an excellent balance of size, performance, and convenience for everyday family cooking. Its 5.5 quart capacity is ideal for preparing soups, stews, casseroles, pasta dishes, and even whole roasted chickens. Constructed from heavy-duty cast iron, it provides impressive heat retention and helps maintain consistent temperatures throughout the cooking process. The self-basting lid is designed with condensation bumps that continuously redistribute moisture onto food, helping keep meals juicy and flavorful. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops, it adapts easily to different cooking styles. The triple-layer enamel coating requires no seasoning and resists stains, odors, and flavor transfer, making cleanup simple after use. Its practical design and dependable performance make it a great option for both beginner and experienced cooks. For families seeking reliable cookware, the Overmont Dutch Oven delivers excellent everyday value. Number 5. Lodge Essential Enamel Cast Iron Dutch Oven. The Lodge Essential Enamel Cast Iron Dutch Oven combines the proven cooking benefits of cast iron with the convenience of a durable enamel finish. Designed to provide excellent heat retention and even cooking, it performs well for simmering soups, baking bread, braising meats, and preparing one-pot meals. The enamel coating eliminates concerns about rust while removing the need for seasoning, making it easy to maintain. Available in several attractive colors, it adds a stylish touch to any kitchen while remaining highly functional. This Dutch oven is compatible with stovetops and ovens safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, offering flexibility for a variety of recipes. Its smooth interior helps reduce sticking and simplifies cleanup after cooking. Although dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to preserve its appearance and longevity. For cooks looking for dependable performance, durability, and ease of use, the Lodge Essential Enameled Dutch Oven is a practical and versatile choice. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.